Madonna's, boy, Madonna's. Me say Madonna's, boy, me say Madonna's, boy. Boy, Madonna's, boy, Madonna's, boy. Me say Madonna's. Hey, me buy them at me buy that at from Dimes. And suppose me tell you, say, me end up with two of the same thing. This and another one. Four of them have two of the same thing. And my husband say no one none. So yeah, two each. No remember. You see, that's the problem. Me no remember what me have and me ending up with two. So now put two in the barrels and go give me daddy. Anyways, me have one somebody and me want to find out if you was one of my husband girlfriend. Why you ask me that question there? But me I go tell you, me no know. Me just go through my message and see it, and it been there for a minute. Because me know say people are send me message, so it been there for a minute. Me scroll right down at the bottom of my message. And me see it. And I'm like, on my Facebook messenger. And me see it and I was like, damn, just dry and so. Just dry and so. You ask me? I'm like, you must have wanna my husband woman with. So me I answer you. If you are one of them, me I will answer you. This must sound like no, Madonna's, me want to know if you tell me the honest truth. Wanna think about that question. It's just one question, you know. No evening, no morning, no good night, no nothing. Dana, tell me 10 things. Dana, tell me 10 things. Why you married to your husband? Did you want him to marry to? Oh shucks. Me see it not too long and me say yeah, me I go do the video. And me I go give you 10 things. Maybe all my husband send somebody if you come ask me. Who knows? You want validation? So you send your friend to come ask me, or this was one of your girl. Gonna name 10 things why you're married to your husband. Woohoo! Let me tell you. First, no offer do. That's a number one on the list. Why me even go there so? But when me just meet him, when he open up his mouth, him Brittany and I lick me down. Him have very nice teeth. Very nice. Let me elaborate on that. Very nice teeth. Okay? So in Brittany and I lick me down and him have very nice teeth. Should I said one or two? Um when me eventually invite him to my house and I was watching him like a hawk time and time again before I even go there with him, I realized that he is a caring person. I mean, I realized that before I take him to my house, but I mean, caring towards my children. He was very caring, and even though I was watching him like because I was very afraid of dating guys because I have three girl pitney and I just didn't want to find book upon some way, you know, trouble my kids them. So that did kind of scare me, but I was happy when him said he have two daughters. And when I get to know him 2 years, after 2 years I had before I bring him towards my children them. So this was somebody that I know. So knowing him, know that, me bring him and by gradually him being there, we realize say him is a caring person towards the children. And him used to have them do dancing contests and all them something there. And I used to watch him so hard to see the kind of person he is. Um yeah, so him is a very caring person to our children. So which family reach 4 or 3? Um He listens. Oh my God. Listen. When I tell you he listen, he listen. I mean, no, I think him get used to me. So it's not that him don't listen anymore, he do. Him is a good listener. But sometimes him feel like me attack nonsense. There was nothing. All when me attack crap, him feel him validate it. When me tell him tell me say me abuse him. Um because me know say him listen, me know say him this, him know say him that. So me abuse him. So, like anything me tell him to do. If me tell him to climb up and jump off him a go do it. So anything at all, years upon I just lately start going like he nice. So but me have to recheck him sometime. I say, you see how you stay? Here? You never used to stay so. You never sometimes I have to recheck him, but yeah. When I ask him to do things to me, he will do it. I love that. Um, Let me see. 10 things. Make me now count. Which one me reach? Five? Okay, I think me reach five. So emote. Him in emote in caring is honest. Very honest. Let me put a very on it. Well, no. I'm not gonna put a very honest on it. But when me ask him things and him give me an answer, him give me an answer for me to believe. Whether if him a lie, yes or no. I trust him. Me not gonna say me trust him with woman, but me trust him to make like a decision for me. If we have certain things, he will share it equally. So, so me mean, I don't know, me can't tell you say, oh, my husband is faithful. Me no know, come in and watch him. Um, so in that saying, yes, is me trust him in a many ways. Me trust him. So for instance, say me have my money in my account. Me not gonna say I won't spend out of it, but me can have my money in my account and it stay there. So me trust him with my money. Um, there's a lot, but it's just that me just see the message. I'm gonna decide to do the video right away. But he's honest, he's caring, is hygiene. Oh my god. If my husband was the kind of person who go work out, going to I've never smelled that man. Oh, I've never smelled him for how many years. You say, okay, him smell. If him decides him no want beard for the whole week, I'm not saying him does that, but I'm just telling you, I've never smelled him. It's like him don't sweat. All when he sweat, I have never smelled him. So I don't know, maybe I lose count. Even before I married him, because when I'm married, me know my husband 2 years before we start date, and that was 2004. I was married 2013. So check how much years we know him from. So that is it. Like he used to work come amongst me, and I've never smelled him. So it's like so much things. When it come on him have taste. When he come on to buying things on me, him don't buy foolishness. Him not buy foolishness to me. Him have taste. When it come on to is not trust him in other way where trust supposed to be. Yes, in a that way. And as me say, me put aside relationship I mean no having no man out there because me no know him I do me not watch him. So me put aside that. I mean trust him with other things in life. Know how to cook. He will cook for me. He will wash me. If me feel sick, him take care of me. Yeah. Him I don't know. Like me I have to give him flowers. And that's the reason why I'm married to him. Like me can't say let me tell you, my husband not perfect, but I only trade him for nothing. Nobody. I want to trade him because the little flaws, the good cover that. He can get upset. But if I don't contribute to it, then maybe he won't. Um, so that. And then him can malice you. Me not like that. But you're not gonna have everything perfect. Life is not perfect. So if you would say maybe about three or four things, and if everything else is good, you have to find a way, like find a way for work. And him not disrespect me, him not be put him on for me, because him know say if him put him on for me, I go use the cutlass and take it off from right up in there. So you know, right? Tell him that already from the first day. So now I use the cutlass and then that's where me know say I go go prison. Me not call down for myself, but seriously, no man, me not take up no man in my life way want to do that. Um yeah, so in all of the above apart from and as we say, those are things where you can look past. But wish him just don't ballast me. Like if we do something, don't ballast me. Or but him we get upset too, but him nah get upset where him disrespect. It's like him want to get him message across, and if me want to get my message across, me I go open my mouth louder. So him do it, me do it. I mean I like when him do it, but yeah. But that's it. Like him not me can't say him have a serious problem. No, him don't. Mm-mm. So God is good. Him know God know what me can manage and him give what me can manage to me. You get what I say? But the topic here interested. It interested but me still have to wonder. Oh, you just ask me that so. I him tell if you ask me, cause me not tell him, I tell him. But maybe you want to hear more. What you want to hear, Edge? Cause maybe I go watch the video. What you want to hear? Ask me. Come and we tell you. I'm gonna tell him sometimes, but sometimes maybe he need validation. I'm just saying, I don't know. Edge, you watch a video? Tell me in the comment section here. Anyways, Madonna, I want to answer the question there, them 10 question there, cause maybe me lose count, maybe me answer way more than that. But yeah, him have so much quality, and we're grateful for God provide. I have a friend that he don't know, and they went to party, and may I tell you that story here. They went to party over and over, and him don't know her. He said, "Let me tell you something. Go from party to party," and I didn't know that guy was your husband. Him went with two other guys, and them a enjoy themselves, and him just stand up there, you know, just a bill like this in at the party. And she said the other two guys was dancing with woman, and up in that woman face, I did not see him talk to anybody apart from him two friends. I saw him so many times, but that was few years ago since we've been here. So many times at party, and I did not know he was your husband. And I'm like, really? And two other people tell me the same thing, but not them know him, them know him. Those two people know him. But when the girl said that, me did hear from other people before. But when the girl said that, because on Fridays, on Saturdays, because he used to work Monday to Friday, them time there, every Friday night, he used to tell me to come, but me never interested to go. So till eventually him stop asking me because he realized I'm not go. And I never see him up in a woman face. I never see him a dance with nobody. And then one night we have a party in the basement downstairs and him bridging them come. And all them a do a cuss up the B clot because when me tell you say me was under him, you know, brother. Like me a bubble and like that was a couple of years ago though. And when me tell you say me and him dance like never before. I think it was his birthday. I keep a little birthday for him, birthday party. And him say, yo, let me tell you something. Them said, Dana, let me tell you something. I never know. Them say Max and my virgin, but we never know say that man you can dance. You know, from when we and him a go party and the man just stand up in the party, so I first, them time they are the first. You see, I saw the man just stand up in the party, and then them was an him friends. So you know, if me just hear from him friends them, then me woulda say, um, you know, because I'm friend them I say that. But if you know, say the girl tell me and don't know him, and she know me, she never know him, but she know me, and she say I never know that guy was the husband, never know. And then the other two people who know me will tell me, one of them say, them know him, you know, but not like, them not rap with him like that, but them know him. And they say, all the husband talk about are you, you. And I say, here we go. Other thing for talk about. Me. But anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Just to share something with you know. But that question there, name 10 question. Wow. 10? Wow. Unbelievable. Anyways, that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share. Sharing is caring. God bless you all. Big up on yourself, Madonnas. Heart of love.